Teacher April S. Morales, to our school principal, Teacher Arlene D. Aviles, most especially to my class advisor and our school head, Teacher Ariel D. Aviles. Also to Miss Abby Antonio, Miss Sheila Sarmiento, Miss Vivian Baron, Miss Chihiro Sanmatilio, Miss Vicky Thomas, thank you for your patience, care, and passion for loving us like your own children. To our parents, thank you for holding our hands, helping us with our lessons, and believing in us. We will always remember our happy days at Unimanita Every Garden Science Development Center, our games, our songs, and our friends. We are growing up, but we will always carry your love in our hearts. Thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts. Welcome to our completion ceremony.
Thank you, Andrea.